Hi boys and girls. Today for writing you're going to be working on sequencing a story. So the first thing I want you to notice is there are 4 places for you to do some writing. There are 4 pictures. And if you notice, the pictures are going in order as to what is happening. So first he's rolling the ball, then he's adding a second, and then a third, and last he's decorating the snowman. So what you're going to be doing is noticing that this word says first, this one says next, this one says then, and this one says last. So what you need to do is look at the picture and decide what they're doing, and you're going to write that right here. So first, he rolled a snowball, and then you'll put a period. Next, and then you're going to write down what happened next. Then, write down what happened then. And last, you're going to write down what happened last. Don't forget to write very neatly using the top line, the dotted line, and the bottom line. And also don't forget to put a period at the end of your sentence. Have fun!